case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark case of Henson v. State in 1989, the Supreme Court of Indiana was faced with wrestling the notion that expert testimonies in a trial could not per se comment on the credibility of other witnesses, whilst meeting specific foundations for admissibility. The particular case that led to the controversy had a man named Ricky J. Henson at its heart. Henson was originally convicted of rape, criminal deviate conduct, criminal confinement, and battery. After a jury trial in Howard Circuit Court, he received rather severe sentences for each crime that included 15 years for rape, 45 years for criminal deviate conduct, 15 years for criminal confinement, and 5 years for battery. However, he didn't bow to the charges and appealed the conviction. Henson claimed that the evidence against him was insufficient and the trial court had been remiss in not allowing an expert witness to testify on his behalf. His defense intended to call an expert to testify that the victim's behavior was inconsistent with that of a typical person subjected to traumatic, forcible rape. The prosecution promptly objected, marking the ground for what became the pivot of the case. The court, while recognizing the sufficiency of opposing evidence, upheld the objection from the prosecution and excluded the expert testimony. The turning point came when the court ruled the defendant's expert witness testimony inadmissible. Citing the concept of double jeopardy, the court flagged this as a reversible error. Consequently, a retrial of the case was called for, effectively tipping the scales in a case that had already navigated complex juridical waters. The decision dealt a blow to the prosecution's case, giving Henson a renewed chance at defending himself.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.